Konnichiwa, Guan. Welcome back to Kaya's Kitchen, aka JAMAIPAN. Today we are making JAMAIPAN chicken soup, which is fusion of miso coconut curry chicken soup. Okay, so I'm going to introduce you the ingredients. Black pepper, salt, cumin powder, curry powder, coconut milk, miso paste, green split peas, garlic, of course, chicken. This is called kabocha pumpkins. It's used in Japanese cuisine as well as Jamaican cuisine. Carrots, thyme, corn, scallions, potato, celeries, onions, it's yellow yam, and flour for dumplings. I'm gonna start with chopping up some scallions and onions. Okay, just do this. Okay, while I'm waiting for the water to be boiled, I'm gonna make the dumpling dough first so that I can leave it in the fridge for a little while. So this is like about a cup of flour, or sprinkles of cumin, just tiny bit of salt. And before I add water, I'm gonna mix the toppings. I'm going to add a little bit of water. When it is mixed, it should be the consistency of a little harder than your earlobe. If you added too much water, all you have to do is just add a little bit more flour. I think this is good. Put the dough in the fridge for maybe 10 minutes or so. The next step is to add the scallions and onions into the boiling pot. Like 2 strands of thyme. And here, and the next step is I'm going to cut the garlic and the yam, and then I'm put them into the boiling pot as well. So I'm gonna cut up the yam, but I already took the skin off in the sink because it's extremely sticky and it makes my skin really irritated and itchy. So I'm gonna do this process really fast. So I'm gonna dice the yam. This will taste really good. Okay, so everything is boiling for about 10 minutes so far. I'm gonna add some celeries and the split peas. So I'm going to boil all those ingredients for another 10 minutes or so until it get melted in the soup. So we'll just let it be. After about 20 minutes of boiling from the start, I'm going to put some chicken and also dumplings, as well as corn and carrots. So I'm going to make dumplings, which is called spinners. named after the way it's made. Just put like a little bit, tear it off of the entire dumpling dough, and then spin it, like roll it like this, and then toss it. And I'll keep doing it until the dough is done. So I just put dumplings. So I'm going to add these two ingredients. The corn is already steamed, so it's in a way cooked already. I'm going to wait another 10 minutes or 10 to 15 minutes, and I'm going to add potato and kabocha pumpkins. I want the soup to be seasoned a little bit, so I'm going to add salt, other seasonings as well. Black pepper. I'm going to stir it. Scoop up some of the stems, the thyme stems, like this. After 35 minutes since start, I'm going to put final ingredients, potato and kabocha pumpkins, because they are very easy to be dissolved. So I'm going to put them the last. I'm going to cut them maybe like a dice shape, but not too small. Then I'm going to cut the pumpkins. Take the seeds out. Make sure you sharpen your knife before you cut pumpkins. All the skins are removed, so I'm going to put all of them in the pot. How? Okay, so all the ingredients are inside of this pot, so I'm going to season it. I'm going to start with miso paste. I'm using, this is a mixed miso of white and red. Those who don't know white or red miso, you can just get whatever the miso that is available to you, and then you can use it. I'll put, I would say 2-3 teaspoonful. Dissolve it in the soup. It's a paste, so you can add water a little by little. Okay, so the next step is to put curry powder. I would say maybe 3 teaspoons, or maybe 2. I think 2 would be enough. Mix it in. I'm going to add the coconut milk. I added like about half a can. It's looking delicious already. Last but not least, I'm going to add the infamous Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to de-seed it so that it doesn't get too hot. I'm going to simmer this down for another 10 to 15 minutes. I don't know how many minutes has passed, like 50 minutes or so from since start. I'm going to put it in a bowl. I'm about to serve this sexy soup. Here you go. The fall is approaching, so everyone probably want to get cozied up with soup. Let's taste it. Delicious. Thank you for watching Kyle's Kitchen, aka Jamaipan. Make sure to check us Jamaipan on Facebook and Instagram. Until next time, we're all one people in a diverse city.